He's purring.
Okay, you want to be in the video too?
Hey, mama. She hates it. She's biting you. Hey, mama.
Should have gave this to him earlier.
It's mugging temple.
Wait.
Oh, she just grabbed on me. It almost clawed my shit.
I think she gets like aggressive and he really gets relaxed.
Look what she's doing. Here, mama. Come here. She barely had any. Yo, she's fucking lightweight.
She's like me.
This nigga's trying to get wild high right now. He's shoving his head in there.
Come here, Papa. What are you doing? Okay, Mama.
Yeah. That's the most funniest shit ever.
I've never seen her act this crazy before over it. Oh, okay, Papa, okay. Okay, Nala, we understand.
Yo.
Are you really finding this entertaining?
Fucking hilarious, Mama. If you hold them there, they're gonna claw our shit.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, if you lift them right now, they're gonna claw you.
No, he's not like that.
Yeah, it's not out of like hate, but like out of
No, they react differently. Some of them calm down,
Trust me.
but Nala got... What happened, Mama? Wait, you still...
My little hunka munka.
What are you doing?
Stimulation is essential for cats' mental and physical health. Catnip, a natural and non-addictive herb, sparks a stimulating burst of energy followed by blissful relaxation
Yeah.
for most cats.
I don't know about
This
it.
toy helps meet cats' need for stimulation. Use a complete need system.
Whoa, he just tried to bite me.
I told you.
Not like bite, but like, you
I
know.
know. Come here, Mama. Mama.
Oh my
Yeah,
God, he's
Mama.
looking for more.
Look at that. He's so cute.
He is too.
He's mad because he just loves it.
Oh my... What happened, Mama? Oh, no, no.
See what I mean?
Why is she acting like that?
You know,
Whoa.
You know-
No. 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 No, Mama. Oh, you good boy. Oh my God. I put my whole hand on his face.
Mhm.
He didn't do anything. He did more gushy gushy.